I've got a 1972 Super Beetle. I wired it up to flat tow behind the motorhome. I've tried finding diagrams on how to do it, but I had to figure it out myself. Pretty easy. Just got the wires right here. Came up through the grill underneath. Drilled a hole, the rubber grommet. The connectors are right here. Used a test light to find out which one it was. Hooked the wires up. That's for the left side. Ran a wire over here for the right side. And for the tail lights, it's just this other lead over here. Hook the ground up, and you're ready to go. That's all you have to do. Good luck. Happy motoring.